This is TFT's VORTEX smoothbore nozzle, a smoothbore with a twist. The VORTEX allows you to take a traditional smoothbore nozzle and have the capability of not only a long-reaching, hard-hitting solid bore stream, but it also gives you the ability for a dispersed pattern for salvage and overhaul, hydraulic ventilation, car fire or dumpster fire, anywhere where a dispersed pattern is needed over the long-reaching, hard-hitting solid bore stream. The VORTEX integrates a traditional 1 3/8 ball valve along with 6 integrated stream straightening vanes. When you turn the index ring to the left, it turns the vanes, spins the water, and as the water spins out the smoothbore, it creates your dispersed pattern. The VORTEX has the capability of working with any smoothbore tip in the marketplace. It comes in 1.5 or 2.5 inlet couplings, and it also comes in a tip-only version that can be integrated with any given ball valve or smoothbore tip. For more information, tft.com.